Hello guys, welcome to Noteartener. In this video I am showing you how you can change birthday on your Snapchat app. So firstly what you need to do is you have to open your Snapchat app and then you have to tap on your emoji icon in the top left corner. Simply tap on this and then here you can see your settings. So simply tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. After that here you can find your birthday option. So here you can see third option, tap on this and here you have to tap on this birthday. Here you can see the your date, so simply tap on the date and here you can set whatever date you want, and after that you can simply tap on the continue option. And here you so simply tap on the continue and here you have to again tap on the OK to confirm. So that's it, that how you can do. So if you find this video helpful, you can simply subscribe to our channel and like our videos and share it with your friends. That's it.